In the face of rapid urbanization, some animals have astonishingly adapted to life in cities, thriving alongside human development. Pigeons, originally cliff dwellers, now nest on skyscrapers, mimicking their natural habitats. Raccoons, with their dexterous paws, master urban dumpsters and adapt to varied diets. Coyotes traverse city parks and suburbs, blending into human environments. Meanwhile, sparrows and crows exploit the abundance of food scraps, showcasing their intelligence and resourcefulness. These adaptations highlight nature's resilience. Animals like the urban fox have adjusted their hunting patterns to include human waste, while stray cats have formed colonies near food sources. Rats, infamous survivors, navigate sewers and subways with ease. Even more unique are peregrine falcons, which use tall buildings to nest and hunt urban prey, like pigeons. The ability of these species to exploit city resources and environments underscores their evolutionary flexibility. However, urban life presents challenges. Noise pollution, traffic, and shrinking green spaces test these animals' limits. Many, like squirrels and bats, must alter behaviors to avoid human conflict. Wildlife corridors and green rooftops can help balance this coexistence. As cities expand, understanding these urban adapters can guide better planning to ensure harmony between humans and the resilient creatures that share their spaces. Urban adapted animals also exhibit fascinating behavioral changes that highlight their ability to thrive in human-dominated environments. For instance, crows have been observed using cars at traffic lights to crack nuts, demonstrating advanced problem-solving skills. Similarly, seagulls in coastal cities have adapted to scavenge food from tourists, while stray dogs in some regions navigate public transport systems to access food-rich areas. The presence of these animals in urban landscapes is a reminder of the dynamic relationship between nature and human development. While some species flourish, others face displacement or decline due to habitat loss. Urban planners and conservationists are increasingly recognizing the importance of designing cities with wildlife in mind, incorporating green spaces, wildlife corridors, and eco-friendly infrastructure to support biodiversity. Public awareness is also crucial for fostering coexistence. Educational programs and community initiatives can help reduce conflicts, such as those involving raccoons or foxes rummaging through trash. Encouraging practices like proper waste management and the planting of native vegetation can create safer, more supportive environments for urban wildlife. Ultimately, the story of animals adapting to urban life reflects both the challenges and opportunities of a rapidly changing world. Their resilience serves as an inspiration, emphasizing the need for sustainable development that respects and integrates the natural world into the heart of our cities. By learning from and supporting these remarkable creatures, we can create urban ecosystems that are not only livable for humans but also for the diverse species that share our planet. As we delve deeper into the lives of urban wildlife, it becomes clear that their success often hinges on their ability to innovate and exploit resources in creative ways. Species like opossums, for example, have learned to forage in backyards and navigate city streets at night to avoid human activity. House sparrows and starlings, meanwhile, have thrived by building nests in man-made structures and adapting to diverse, readily available food sources. These urban pioneers are also influencing the ecosystems of cities in subtle but significant ways. Pigeons contribute to seed dispersal in green spaces, while bees and other pollinators ensure the survival of urban plants and gardens. Even predators like hawks and owls help control populations of rodents, creating a delicate balance within the urban food web. However, with the rise of urbanization, there are inevitable challenges to these ecosystems. Light pollution disrupts the natural behaviors of nocturnal species, while air and water pollution can harm even the most resilient animals. Climate change exacerbates these issues, as rising temperatures and extreme weather events impact both wildlife and their urban habitats. To ensure the continued coexistence of humans and urban wildlife, cities must evolve. Green infrastructure such as rooftop gardens, vertical forests, and urban wetlands can provide vital habitats. Initiatives like wildlife-friendly building designs and reduced pesticide use can further support biodiversity. Additionally, citizen science projects allow communities to monitor and protect the species in their neighborhoods, fostering a sense of stewardship. Urban animals are a testament to the adaptability of life in the face of human expansion. By embracing their presence and taking steps to mitigate the challenges they face, we can build cities that celebrate and sustain the diversity of life. Their survival in our urban jungles serves as a powerful reminder of nature's resilience and the interconnectedness of all living beings. As urban areas continue to expand, integrating nature into city planning becomes an essential priority. One innovative solution gaining traction is the concept of rewilding urban spaces. This involves creating or restoring natural habitats within cities, such as converting unused lots into wildlife-friendly parks or planting native vegetation along highways and railway lines. These efforts provide critical refuges for urban adapted animals while fostering biodiversity and offering residents a chance to connect with nature. Another crucial aspect is addressing the human-wildlife conflict that often arises in cities. Education campaigns can teach residents how to coexist with animals like raccoons, foxes, or pigeons in a way that minimizes disruptions. Simple actions such as securing trash bins, avoiding feeding wild animals, and creating safe crossing points for wildlife can significantly reduce negative interactions and promote harmony. Technology also plays an increasing role in urban wildlife conservation. For example, motion-activated cameras and wildlife tracking apps help scientists and city planners monitor animal populations and understand their movements. Data from these tools can guide the placement of wildlife corridors or inform policies to protect key species. Urban animals, in many ways, reflect the resilience and adaptability that humans value in themselves. Their ability to thrive in environments that are constantly changing is a remarkable testament to the flexibility of nature. Yet, their survival also depends on our willingness to adapt our behaviors and urban designs to support coexistence. By investing in sustainable urban ecosystems and fostering a culture of respect for wildlife, we can ensure that cities remain vibrant, livable spaces for both people and animals. This vision of shared urban habitats offers hope for a future where nature is not only preserved but also celebrated within the heart of human development. In these spaces, the success of urban wildlife becomes a symbol of humanity's commitment to building a more harmonious and sustainable world. As cities evolve into ecosystems that embrace coexistence, the lessons from urban wildlife remind us of the profound connection between nature and human environments. These animals, from squirrels darting across power lines to peregrine falcons nesting atop skyscrapers, are not just survivors, they are participants in the urban story, shaping and adapting to the landscapes we create. Future urban development must consider wildlife as an integral part of the ecosystem. Initiatives such as incorporating green roofs, which double as insulation for buildings and habitats for birds and insects, are gaining momentum. Urban forests and tree corridors can act as safe pathways for animals, while also improving air quality and reducing urban heat islands. Wetland restoration projects within cities not only support aquatic species but also enhance water filtration and flood control. The role of individual citizens cannot be underestimated. Backyard habitats, such as bird feeders, pollinator gardens, and small water sources, provide essential support for urban species. Advocating for policies that prioritize green urban planning and sustainable practices ensures that both current and future generations can enjoy the presence of wildlife in their communities. Moreover, fostering a culture of appreciation for urban animals helps shift perspectives from seeing them as nuisances to valuing them as integral parts of city life. Educational programs in schools and community events focused on urban ecology can inspire people to view their neighborhoods as shared habitats. This understanding can lead to greater advocacy for measures that protect and preserve urban wildlife. In the end, the survival of animals in urban environments is a reflection of nature's resilience and humanity's ability to adapt. By embracing innovative solutions and fostering a sense of stewardship, we can ensure that cities remain places where both people and wildlife thrive together. This harmonious coexistence not only enriches our urban landscapes but also reinforces the interconnectedness of all life on Earth. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.